Item number 25. May kindly be adjourned for the day and may kindly be fixed for next week, may Lord.
Let the matter reach. You have taken note down. Okay. Let the matter reach first.
Apply.
Not reach off. My lord, may he Roman can now like Yes, my lord, may I pray that my lord, item 4 may be taken next week. Mr. Ali, let the matter reach.
My lord,
Pass the
my lord, my
For
lord.
someone to be here, it
My
will
lord.
be difficult for you.
May I please your lordship? I beg to
Mr.
mention
Ali, how are you feeling now?
My lord, I am well now. My lord, I will do the matter.
Very good.
I beg to mention item number 28 for daily list. Kindly adjourn the matter today, my lord.
28.
28.
Let the
Matter may be
reach.
taken after 2 weeks, my lord.
Okay, we'll let the matter reach.
All right.
May I please, Lord. My Lord, item number 3 cannot be taken any other day, my Lord.
3.
Lordship.
Okay, we'll see. Let the matter reach first, then we'll.
All right.
Okay. We'll take up those matters first where there is no records. Then we'll come back to the motion.
Motion item number 14. 14.
Take your seat. Ms. Verma, have you seen the orders?
Yes, Lordship.
Since 20th January 2020, the
Nine-
officer concerned, the tribunal dragging the case. Tribunal is dragging the
Lordship,
case.
because they
Look at the order sheet.
have not appeared till date.
Doesn't
Lordship.
matter.
And right
Whether,
from 19, Lordship, if
See-
I page 64, Lordship. Page 54, the order sheet starts. And the tribunal has given ample adequate opportunity for them to come and prove the case, Lordship.
Did he required to continue with the petition or the procedure like this?
This is not the manner, then
Then tell us. Did the order 1964 provides like that?
no lordship.
Then
Lordship may remand the matter back
We
to
do
the
not want
tribunal,
that.
lordship. No, I ask, directing the member to pass the order, lordship, at the earliest, because from
that will not
20,
do. That will not do.
now if he passes the order, then it would be that the matter is pending before the High Court and he is not able to pass the order, lordship, deliver the opinion. We'll take it up with the member, lordship.
After considering the prayer of the procedure on, it was fixed on 1st of August 2022
Yes, lordship.
for written statement and evidence.
Yes,
Though the notice was first issued, the procedure appeared in January 2020 itself.
appeared and sought for time to file the petition. And on 19/2, it submitted a petition praying for res judicata. And that was the stand taken also, and then the 2 years
Look
of
at his
corona.
conduct. Page number 72.
Yes, lordship. On
Look at the
2020,
order sheet.
some development was there on 25/2022 statement of OP is
Then
taken.
read this order sheet, that will tell you the clearance.
Lordship may take it up at 2 o'clock. We'll get the reasons why it has been delayed. Talk to the member, lordship.
If the tribunal itself is hand in gloves, we do not know. Next.
Your Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner was declared as an illegal migrant of the period between 1st January 1966 to 25 March 1971 and was directed to register her name within 30 days before the district magistrate or FRO Borpeta from passing of the order dated 14 March 2023, Lordship. Kindly see page number 32, Lordship. Due to illness, the petitioner couldn't appear in due time, Lordship, before the registering authority, and when she went to register her name, the registering authority showed their inability to register her name as she was late and she needs to bring an order with extension of time, Lordship.
Who is Ibrahim Ali?
Ibrahim Ali is her brother, Lordship.
Hmm?
Her brother, petitioner's brother, Lordship.
How she proved the link between Ibrahim Ali and the procedure?
Lordship, DW2 is her nephew, Lordship.
oral statement without any documents could prove. Is it possible?
Lordship, her parents' name appeared in the voter list of 1966 and 1970. Her father's name is Pakku Mia, Lordship. Lordship,
Where is the voter list of 71?
voter list of 71 is in page number 31, Lordship.
Page number?
31, Lordship. Her name is appeared with her husband, Lordship. Petitioner's name is appeared with her husband, Lordship.
Ms. Verma,
Yes.
page number 31 or page number 30. Is it a certified copy?
No, Lordship.
What is the decision of the tribunal? Page number 36, last paragraph.
OP has, tribunal has now found, Lordship, that she is an illegal immigrant between these fields, but
What
not
did she-
taking into consideration the factual.
It's up to you.
Lordship,
It's up to you.
at two, Lordship.
And it's the influence of the day. Order. 70. One second. Page number 6. Nine.
Records were, I think, earlier called for, Lordship, but not received.
Page number 66. Notice in this case was issued on 12/03/2021. And the records of FT case number 47 of 2018 was also called from the Foreigners Tribunal second Nagaon involved in this case? Office notes reflects that in spite of informing the concerned tribunal regarding this 8 case record, the same is yet to be received by the registry, has not yet received the same. List on second application. Registry shall issue reminder for the record of the
My lord, maybe same another date, my lord.
2nd April receipt.
3rd April, my lord.
court app. Financial application. In bracket, SP reference. The registry shall also issue reminder, issue communicated.
Will recite it.
Forward this order. When the police order. Since 12/3/2021. The petitioner is illegal to pay. It is also not known whether the petitioner appeared before the SP board within 15 days time, the date of the order as directed. Copy of the on certain such the SP board now also apply the court as the petitioner appeared before him before the sale of person to the order of the court at 12:00 or failure on the part of the tribunal. Forward the record. Report shall consider the past consequences of order as to why appropriate order not be passed. In obstructing the adjudication of this matter. Copy of this order we also communicated to State Burma Standing Council for her necessity to inform the concern for the tribe of list record.
Double.
Okay. Learned Council A does is appearing. I am not going to discuss. Learned Council A does is appearing in this. Maybe they can after something.
Yes.
Item 36.
Okay. Mr. Sharma. We'll take up Mr. Direct Walker. If Mr. H dash appears now, itself we can take up.
Earlier, he raised time to file reply.
Recently, board has changed lordship. Earlier, another council was there. Lord. Newly filed all of them.
Earlier, he raised time to file reply, my lord, on 24/11. Till now, he is not filed. Appeal consideration. Appeal consideration.
Because of the access.
He will. He will.
Happy. आपने अपने हेल्प कर लगा अपने हेल्प कर लगा तो रिप्लाई फाइल करने की काम करता है रिप्लाई फाइल करने की काम करता है
muy por muy beleg muy
नहीं पड़ा
every day obviously copy to night
give it tomorrow time will go
Yes, sir. When did he file representation?
Page
62 my lord.
At page 62, my lord.
62 lordship.
After read the petition.
18/8
18/8/23.
23.
And my lord, that representation was rejected. On 30/8/23. It is in our annexure, affidavit in opposition, annexure B.
Eta है ऐसे
Okay.
दिन
Reply
ना तुम्हारा ना
भूल होता है
बोलो तो हमारे
When it was communicated to him?
कितने कम्युनिकेट कोई
Inspection technician.
तो जॉन 30 अगस्त का ना
S57
पॉलिटिकल डिपार्टमेंट 30 अगस्त
30th August
August.
2023, madam.
in our presentation annex B my lord page 78
अपना लिए कितना पड़ता है?
हम्म?
पैसे कितना रिजेक्शन वाला?
ना पानी
कोई कौन है सब दिवो ना कोटे को कोई दिए वो तो डायरेक्ट नहीं बोल
ये पता है तो मिनट नंबर
रहा बंदा को
हम्म
नहीं कोई जगह सब उकिल संजय से आई हैव नॉट रिसीव्ड एनी डायरेक्ट दे दियो सर was communicated to Minhas Mandal also my lord page number 9 page 78
When it was handed over to him or when it was communicated by the jail superintendent?
So not mention here, my lord.
There is no mention in the affidavit filed by the state.
Yes, thank you.
Give us the information at 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Give us the information. When did the jail superintendent
Communicate.
not only communicate, because this order, rejection order has to be served upon him, right?
Yes.
When it was served upon him.
13th August. Home development. Lordship said true, my lord.
Hmm?
yes much
Had to get in the information
my lord.
when it was served upon him.
He was like,
direct कोई नहीं
Page 78,
Yes, my lord.
Annexer B, your annexer. Copy 2, serial number 7.
Superintendent of District Jail Goalpara. for
Yes, my
information.
lord.
We have to hand over
Is
the copy
required,
of-
that's the law. Any such rejection has to be, order has to be served upon the
Yes, my lord.
custody or who's in custody. When
I'll
it
get
was,
that information, my lord. I'll get that
Okay,
information at 2, my lord.
should give it to us. And Mr. Das,
Lordship.
let us see what happens in 2 o'clock.
Yes, my lord.
If this particular order of 30th of August 2023
Hmm.
was duly served upon the petitioner, please come to page number 13 of your read petition.
Yes.
Yes,
57.
till 13.
Paragraph number 16, page 13.
Therefore, the community will be of committed to helping support one political department, it's going in order to opponent.
Present is-
Though the opponent will be and have very safe recovery, you know.
After this submission of representation of 18th of August 2023,
Yes, my lord.
the petitioner is absolutely silent in his petition regarding the rejection of his representation by the authority.
Hmm.
You have to pay cost. Because this writ petition was filed on
Yes, thank you.
5th of August, 5th of October 2023.
Hmm.
So entire September month, we do not know. So
Hmm.
that is why if at 2 o'clock, if we come to know that it was served during
That,
night,
because
and the
today I am
petitioner-
first appearing, my lord.
That's to whatever.
Uh,
Whether
Until
habeas
the
corpus
Yes,
petition,
yes,
right?
right, my lord.
Then the petitioner have to pay cost.
Yes, my lord. If he received, my lord, why he has not
And
received?
definitely.
Hmm.
Yeah, it will be later. Mm.
Hassan was there. Your case.
My lord, may I please, your lordship, in this case, my lord, I has been filed for modification of the order, my lord, due to change of the district, my lord. Earlier, my lord, it was in Borpota, later in Baksa. So we appeared before the SP Borpota, my lord. They denied and told me we go to the Baksa district and appear there, my lord. So,
Do you have the copy of the petition with you?
my lord, in my bag, my lord, at that time I have.
No, I don't have, I have the IA copy, Lordship.
Yes, I copy you have.
Yes, Lordship.
Give it to him. Page 6, para 3.
Yes, my lord.
Read it.
Yes, my lord.
Read it.
That
Read
the
it.
applicant wishes to state that complying of the order dated 18 James 2023 filed by the Honorable Guwahati High Court WBC number 20, applicant went to the office of the respondent number 6 Department of Police Border Corporate to furnish the bail bond of distance to which one local security like amount of, but the respondent refused to accept the stamp and state that the jurisdiction is not fall under the Department of Police Baksa and the direct applicant approached before the Department of Police Baksa for
Why, if the jurisdiction doesn't fall under Baksa, why you have supposed to approach before the Baksa police?
No, my lord, this is wrongly written, Borpota, my lord. It's not Baksa, it may be correct,
Then
Borpota,
while
my lord.
filing this petition, you did not look into it.
It may be Borpota, my lord.
Who will correct it?
It is correct.
Why do you file these petitions carelessly?
Sorry, my lord.
Sorry is not a word. It's a very 5-letter word is finished. See the responsibility.
Yes, madam. That I will take.
Need batak mat.
It was a complete petition public.
Please take your seat, Mr. Hassan. Can I clear? Dissatisfied to the opinion of the Foreigners Tribunal 9 Barpeta. Dated 29/12/2022 in FT9 within bracket PPT bracket close case number 342/2018. The applicant as a petitioner referred the connected with petition WPC number 2472/2023, wherein the court by order dated 18/10/2023, while issuing rule, call for the records of the 39 cases of the witness. In the interim, granted him bail, directing him to appear before the Superior Police Board of Barpeta on or before 2/11/2023. He নহয় দেই, she হ'ব। It is stated that though the applicant pursuant to the state order of the court dated such and such appear before the Superior Police Board of Barpeta on within time, but the state authority did not record her appearance and rejected and refused to accept her bail, stating that she belongs to the jurisdiction of Superior Police Baksa as per the said case number. Hence, this application by the said petition for implement of Deputy Commissioner, the Deputy of the District Commissioner Baksa, as well as Superior Police in bracket order Baksa as respond number 7 and 8 in the connected application number 247. Hard post record. The petitioner is a resident of village Borghopa, Bilor Potter, which is presently under Bornagar Part Police Station, district of Baksa, after the bifurcation of district Baksa from district Baksa in the city from Barpeta district. Presently Land Council for the Public and Consideration. The Deputy of the District Commissioner Corporate Baksa, as well as Superintendent of Police in bracket order Boxer. They impeded as party respondent numbers 7 and 8. They connected WPC number. Registration incorporate connect WPC number. Correct the cost to the order. Petitioners shall now appear before the Superintendent of Police order Boxer for compliance of the order. Totally for compliance with the order. The petitioner shall appear before the order on or 22nd.
22nd.
March. Only to the text. The order is the first of to that extent. This order shall be read together with the order. In view of the order passed to the interconnected ISC 3888 the Deputy Oblique District Commissioner Boxer as well as Superintendent of Boxer being presented by the 7. Mr. P. Sharma, additional as well as you are studying have entered different newly petitioner into this one. It is still correct. Tell him it will correct. We have seen that the relevant records application process received by on the next fixed. The petitioner shall apply as potentially appear on different date. Without based on 23rd April.
Bless.
Motion, item number 1.
Mr. Salia, when did the petitioner appear before the SP border, Borpeta?
Lordship, here I've been informed, Lordship, that he has been regularly visiting the SP, Lordship, but
Where is that order? To
uh,
visit regularly. Is there any such order passed by the court?
no, Lordship, because Lordship, this matter last came in the year 2020, pursuant to which, Lordship, this is being listed for the first time. So, Lordship, if Lordship.
Okay, go ahead. Read your written statement. Let us see.
Yes, Lordship,
Annex
here, if possible, Lordship, if 1 day's time may be granted, Lordship, because I have not been in touch with my client, Lordship, and this matter came up for the first time, Lordship. If the matter can be listed on Wednesday, Lordship, I'll be better prepared. I'm prepared also, but Lordship, the current events, I've not been briefed with the current event final.
Okay, we'll give you a chance
Yes,
for
Lordship.
your argument, but proceed with your written statement.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, here first I'd like to clarify the facts of the case, my lords, once so that Lordship, the petitioner is Noor Islam, my lords. He has his grandfather's name is Mufizuddin, also known as Muhiuddin, my lords. His grandmother is Sukurjan, my lords. If Lordship allow. And now, Lordship, what is important is his grandmother expired long time back, roughly 60 years back, my lords. Pursuant to her expiry, his grandfather remarried, Lordship. And he remarried to a person named Sajjan Nesa, my lords. Now, Lordship, here where if I take Lordship through the order of the Foreigners Tribunal, my lords, here in the page number 67, Lordship, if Lordship allows me, Lordship, page number 67.
Which
First-
provision you are reading?
Sorry, Lordship,
Which provision?
provision. No, Lordship, I'm going through the,
Read petition.
yes, writ petition, Lordship. Writ petition, page number 67, Lordship. Here, the first observation of the learned FT member is incorrect, my lords. Because,
We'll come back to that later.
yes, Lordship.
You read your written statement.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I'll start, page number 41 is the written statement, Lordship, Annexure 10. I'm
All are not required. Start from para 5.
Para 5, Lordship, yes. That the investigation officer of the court has not investigated the case properly. The opposite party's father's actual name is Amiruddin, Lordship. But in the investigation office, wrongly recorded the opposite party's father's name as Amir instead of the actual correct name, which is Amiruddin. 6. That the answering opposite party was born in the year 1963 and brought up at village Mohammadpur, Mauza Jani, PS, Borpeta, district Borpeta in the state of Assam, and as such he is bona fide citizen of India by birth. That late Mofizuddin Mahizuddin, also known as Mahi Devani, and Sajjan Nesa are grandparents of the opposite party. Now, Lordship, here I'll just like to point out that Sajjan Nesa is the step grandmother, my lords. Step grandmother are the grandparents, and Jahuruddin, Amiruddin, Amir Ali, Abdul Barik, Sattar Ali, Rahman are the sons
So
of.
they are uncles. Okay.
No, Lordship, here there is, I'll like to give some clarification because, Lordship, out of them, although they are the sons of Mafizuddin, my lords, three of them were from the first wife, and two of them were from the second wife, which they have included in the in para 7. They have adjoined all of them together, my lords. Point number 8, that the late Amiruddin, also known as Amir Ali, and Basiran Nesa, Lordship, this Amir Ali and Basiran Nesa, also known as Sajjan Nesa, are the parents of Noor Islam, my lords. Are the parents of the opposite party, and Noor Islam, Amiran Begum, and Jamiran Khatun, my lords. It was Begum, now she is married, so she is Jamiran Begum are the sons and daughter of late Amiruddin Ali, and they were bona fide. Out of which, Lordship, I have been informed Amiran Khatun's name is already there in the NRC. Noor Islam and Jamiran Khatun, they have been declared as doubtful, Lordship. So, Amiruddin and Sajjan Nesa, they are the mother of the petitioner. Sajjan Nesa is also known as Basiran Nesa, Lordship. In some of the voters' name, their names have been coming as Basiran Nesa. Point 9, that the opposite party's grandparents and parents named have been inserted in the NRC at village so-and-so, Muza Jania, PS, Borpeta, so-and-so. Para 10, that the opposite party's parents' name along with grandparents and two uncles have been inserted in the voter list of 1966. Under 51, the LSC village Mohammadpur, Mauza, PS, Borpeta, district Borpeta in the state of Assam by Lordship. 66 voters list 66 is, I have annexed it, and it is in page 21 of my writ petition, my lords. Here, all the names have appeared, my lords, including the father. 21 is the original copy, my lords, and 20 is the type copy. Lordship, I'll read para 11 now. That opposite party's father's demised in the year 1969 at own resident father, opposite party's father, that is Amiruddin, my lords. He expired in 1969. Para 12. That though the opposite party's father demised in the year of 1969, his father name was not cancelled in the voters list 1970, and thus the opposite party, the petitioner's parents' name along with one uncle name have been inserted in the voter list of 1970 under 51 number Jania LAC at village Mohammadpur, Musa Jania, PS Borpeta, district Borpeta in the state of Assam. Para 13. That the father of the opposite party owned and possessed the plot of land, White KP Patha number 118, so and so at village Mohammadpur, so and so in the state of Assam. After the death of his father, said land was muted in his mother's name for the same. At present, the said land is in possession by the petitioner along with his mother, and they have been paying the revenue, my lords. Lordship, at that moment, the petitioner being an uneducated person and he's not aware of the proceeding, he could not procure the revenue receipts, my lords. But what, as I've been informed, that he is in possession of some of the revenue receipts because he's still paying them, my lords. That could not be annexed at the time of written statement and evidence, my lords. Point 14. That in the year of 1969, the opposite party's grandfather will be Mufizuddin, lordship, has given a registered plot of land in the name of opposite party measuring 3 bighas, White KP Patta so and so at village Mohammadpur, Musa Jania, PS Borpeta in the state of Assam, and the said land was muted in his name in the year 1975. At present, the said land is possession of the petitioner and also he's also paying revenue over there. That the opposite party, along with his mother, also has been enrolled in the voter list 1985 under 44 number so and so in the state of Assam, serial number 75 and 76, house number 168. All those details have been mentioned in the voter list 1985, lordship. Petitioner with his mother. That the opposite party's grandparents and uncles have also been enrolled in the voter list of 1985 under serial number 44, Jania LAC village so and so in the state of Assam, White, serial number 674. Lordship, all the grandparent, grandmother, uncle of the petitioner, all the names have been are there in 1985 voter list. That in the year of the opposite party got married with one Hajera Khatun, daughter of late Senumia, so and so, and out of the wedlock, 5 children have been born. That the opposite party name along with his mother also have been enrolled in the voter list of 1989 at village Mohammadpur, Musa, Jania, so and so in the state of Assam, serial number so and so, house number so and so respectively. That the opposite party's grandparents and one uncle name also have been enrolled in the voter list under so and so. So lordship, here and in the voter list of 94 also, their names have been consistently appearing. Only they have been, in certain cases, the spellings have been wrong, lordship, as it was handwritten, and most of the names are illegible. So, and old records, lordship. That is why there was some difficulty. That the opposite party grandparents and one uncle name has also been enrolled in the 94 voter list also. Now, point 22, that the opposite party, his mother, the petitioner, his mother and his wife's name have been in the voter list of 1990. Here, Noor Islam's name is also appearing, my lords. That is the petitioner in the 1997 voters list. That the petitioner's father demised in the year 1996 at village Mohammadpur at his own residence. This is 96. His father Amiruddin expired, lordship. That the petitioner's grandmother and one uncle also have been enrolled in the voter list 97. All this have been put on record, lordship. That the opposite party mother along with his wife's name also have been enrolled in the voter list of 2011 under so and so, LAC village so and so, so and so. Point 26. That the petitioner's grandmother, along with one uncle's name, has a lordship. Their names have. I'll just skip this part because till 2017 their names have been coming regularly. Lordship, it's only the mother's name and the since they are using two names, Lordship. They're from the village there, so they've been working on. So that is the only confusion. I'll go to para 29 of the written statement, Lordship, page 45. That like other Indian citizens, petitioner's mother and uncle also got election photo identity card bearing card number so and so, so and so. That the petitioner's mother is under margin indigent class of person and she has obtained ration card also. That the village headman Gaura of village so and so has also given genuine residentship of the opposite party of the petitioner of village so and so, Assam. That the petitioner has submitted his NRC details in the present processing NRC on 16/7/2005 by applicant so and so. That the petitioner also submitted his family tree along all brothers and sisters, that is legal heirs of Amiruddin, that is the petitioner's father, in the present processing of NRC. That the petitioner's grandfather's actual and correct name is late Mafizuddin, but some of the voter list, his grandfather's name has been wrongly inserted as Mahizuddin instead of actual and correct name Mafisuddin and Mahizuddin. And in our written statement, we have stated Mahizuddin and Mafisuddin, they are the same person, my lords. Again, the opposite party, the petitioner's father's actual and correct name is late Amiruddin, lordship. That he has stated. But in the voter list of 9, his father's name has been wrongly inserted as Amir Ali instead of actual and correct name. And Amir Ali and Amiruddin is the same person. That is petitioner's father. Again, the petitioner's mother's actual name is Basiran Nesa. In certain places, it's also mentioned as Sabjan Nesa, my lords. Basiran and Sabjan, my lords. That is the only confusion regarding the mother's name. That also it has been stated in Basiran, but in the voter list 1989, on subsequent voter list, his mother's name has been wrongly inserted as Sabjan Nesa instead of the actual name Basiran Nesa. So Sabjan Nesa and Basiran Nesa are one and the same person. That the petitioner was born in the year 1960 and his present age is 54, lordship. That was right now he'll be 56. According, his age has not been matching in the voter list. The concerned authority wrongly inserted his age in the voter list, and name and age correction affidavit will be submitted in this regard along with necessary documents. That some important documents and certified voter list yet to be traced out. That is, lordship, the submission. In para 37, lordship, we have stated that the petitioner being an illiterate and having no knowledge regarding the process of enrollment, his name in the voter list, and as such, he has been deprived of being listed his name in the voter list correctly, my lords. That the petitioner Noor Islam is a bona fide citizen of India and he has been living in Assam since 1963, that is since his birth, and he is not a foreigner as alleged by the complainant. And lordship, rest is just
What do you want to show from Annexure 4?
Annexure 4. Yes, Lordship. Now, Lordship, in Annexure 4, Lordship, if serial number in serial number 4, Lordship, here the name of Sajjan Nesa. Sajjan Nesa is the mother. Sorry, Lordship. Oh, Sajjan Nesa is the. Oh, sorry, I apologize. Why? Serial number 7, Lordship. In serial number 7, is written Srimati Sabjan Nesa, wife of Jaburuddin Sheikh.
Who is this Zabaruddin Sheikh?
No, Lordship, here there's some confusion, Lordship. Here,
This is your document you relied on.
Lordship, here this document, I'll just seek a clarification from Lordship. Here, this was shown. There's confusion regarding one of the names, Lordship, because Sajjan Nesa, wife of Amir Sheikh. There's some contradiction, Lordship, here in this document, Lordship.
Have you exhibited any such voter list where your name along with your uncle?
Lordship, here in the voter list of my mother's name is there in the voter list of 1997,
Will
Lordship.
you be able to explain one thing?
Yes, Lordship.
In the year 1966 and 1970, your mother was Basiron Nesa.
Lordship, I'll just, yes, Lordship.
How come in the year 1985, Basiron Nesa has become Sabjan Nesa?
No, Lordship. Basiran Nesa was,
Was
yes,
that your mother?
yes, Basiran Nesa and Sabjan Nesa is one and the same person, Lordship, that we have stated in our written
Your
statement.
statement will not do.
Lordship, here, as per in a written statement, Lordship, here, if I can just. Yes, Lordship, this during.
If Basiran Nesa was 21 years old in 1966
Yes, Lord.
and 28 years old in 1970,
Yes, Lordship.
then the Sabjan Nesa became
Yes, Lord.
48
48, Lordship, will be the year.
years old.
48 in 1985.
How come?
20 years have elapsed, Lordship, since.
So us any such voter laws where name of Basiran Nesa, why only in 89, 85? What happened after 1970?
Lordship, those
You
documents.
may not be eligible to vote, but your mother was eligible voter in 1966 and 70.
Yes, Lordship.
Where is her name?
Sabjan. Lordship,
Prior
Sabjan.
to 1985.
Those documents, Lordship, was not available to me at that time. Maybe, Lordship, now. If
Now we will not do anything because you will able to show us only those documents that you have placed before the tribunal.
Yes, Lordship.
Where is that?
Those documents, Lordship, at that time he could not be procured, Lordship. This that time it was done in a hasty manner, and Lordship, there were certain shortfalls because he had already been served notice, and these are old documents, Lordship.
There is the illegality in the order in that case.
Lordship, here they have made certain wrong observations, Lordship, in the order. Lordship, if I may just take your Lordship through the order, Lordship, in page 67, the very first observation is wrong, Lordship.
As what?
That is incorrect, Lordship.
What is that
Lordship,
incorrect?
Lordship, in page number 67,
Hmm.
it is mentioned proceedee in his written statement stated that his grandparents' name, parents' name along with two uncles appeared in the voter list 1966.
Hmm.
Exhibit 1.
Hmm.
In the said voter list, proceedee's grandmother's age is shown as 40.
Hmm.
And projecting uncle Jairuddin age is shown 30. It appears that mother and son's age difference is only 10 years, which is biologically impossible.
Hmm.
Our Lordship, here the learned tribunal failed to appreciate that the grandmother's name which he has given is Sajan Nesa, is the stepmother of the step grandmother of the petitioner.
Where you have stated in your written statement.
Yes, Lordship. In the written statement, Lord. Lordship, here they have not stated that because at that moment they have cleanly just stated that since the step grandmother was alive at that moment, so that moment they have just mentioned that she is Sajan Nesa.
Hmm.
At that time, this is the step grandmother of the petitioner, my lord.
Where you have stated that.
Now, Lordship, in the written,
Hafizuddin had two wives.
yes, Lordship.
Where you have stated in the written statement.
That has not been stated in the written statement, Lordship.
Read para 13,
38, Lordship.
1-3 at page 42.
That the father of the opposite party owned and possessed a plot of land, White KP Patta number 118 at village Mohammadpur, Moza, PS Borpeta, district Borpeta in the state. After the death of his father, said land was muted in his mother's name for the same. At the present, the land is in possession of the opposite party along with his mother, and they have been paying revenue. Lordship, some of the revenue receipts are available, but at the time of evidence, they could not produce it. And Lordship, I have been informed that the mother of the petitioner has also expired in the time being.
Read
Uh,
para 14.
That in the year of 1969, the opposite party's grandfather has given registered plot of land in the name of petitioner measuring 3 biga, White KP Patta 182, Dag number 45 at village Mohammadpur, Moza Janya, PS Borpeta, district Borpeta.
Hmm.
In the state of Assam, said land was muted in his name in the year 1975.
Hmm.
At present, the said land is in possession by the petitioner and also has been paying revenue.
Now come to page number 41.
41, Lordship.
Read para 6.
That's it. That the petitioner was born in the year 1963
Hmm.
and brought up at village Mohammadpur, Moza Jania, PS Borpeta, district Borpeta in the state of Assam, and as such he is a bona fide citizen of India by birth,
So the prostitute was born in the year 1963.
Lordship.
At his age of 6 in 1969, as per para 14, the land was given to him. And at the age of 12, he got his name mutated. Is it correct?
Yes,
Is it
Lordship.
possible under the law?
No, Lordship.
Under which law?
So 1975.
Under which law, Mr. Soliha?
No,
is
Lordship.
possible? Because it is, all these things only the prosecutor is aware. not
Yes,
Mr.
Lord.
Soliha.
Yes, Lordship.
Whatever the prosecutor has stated,
Lordship,
it is
that,
in the written statement.
yes, Lordship.
So we cannot go beyond the written statement, right?
Yes, Lordship.
So in under which law a minor is entitled to have his land at the age of 6 and mutated in the age of 12? Because
Lordship.
we were born in 1960.
Yes, Lordship. That is, Lordship. I bow down to that, Lordship. If I can just.
If you are born in 1963,
Yes.
why your name has figured in the voter list of 1985? For the first time, it should have been only India 1989. Only India 1989 March 21 has become 18 voting
Yes.
right.
Yes. So
Why
if,
your name figured in the voter list of 19?
Lordship, after 21 years from 63, I'll be 80, by 84,
By 84.
I'll be
By
20.
which name you are known as an 84?
My name will be Noor Islam, Lordship.
Noor Islam,
Yes, Lord.
son of
Son of Amiruddin.
mother,
Mother's name will be Sabjan also, or Basiran Nisa, Lordship. So in the 1985,
so as Basiran Nisa, sometimes it is 1975, 79.
yes, Lordship, here, but in the 1985 voters list, my lords,
Why after 1970, Basiran Nisa becomes Sabjan Nisa in 1980? In between, what happened?
that Lordship, those voter lists,
Kuch garbar hai.
yes, Lordship, Lordship may just grant me one,
We'll grant you time. You have seen
yes, Lord,
now these materials are available before the tribunal.
Lordship,
You cannot incorporate any some new documents here.
no, Lordship, yes,
You have to confine to your
yes, Lordship, that,
where in the written statement and whatever the
Lordship,
exhibits you have.
yes, Lordship, that I'm not going to go beyond that. Lordship may just grant me,
Yes, Ms. Verma, he wants 1 day time. Let us see. He has seen everything. We have pointed out to him. He will explain.
More on it.
And it's okay. Possibly needs a chance later today.
yes, Lordship.
Day after tomorrow.
Lordship, Friday, if possible.
Friday or
Uh,
Thursday.
Thursday, Lord. Thursday.
Prepare of.
Obliged.
What happened, Mr. Hassan?
Yes, my lord, petitioner declared foreigner. Post of
Why? Why she has been declared as a
My
foreign?
lord, we have submitted the school certificate, my lord.
Not
Uh,
accepted.
not accepted, my lord.
Why?
Headmaster has come and proved, my lord, as a DW4, my lord.
Then
Because, my lord, there is some, my lord, mistake in the admission register, my lord.
so fact finding board found that there is a mistake in the admission register.
Yes, my lord. Torn, one page is torn, my lord. My lord, page 60, paragraph 6. Exhibit A is the school certificate, my lord. No judgment.
When this certificate was issued?
Certificate of this, my lord. 2017, my lord.
Huh?
11, 12, 2017.
11, 12, 2017.
17.
Okay. When did she took transfer?
He was reading in class 8. Section D, rule number so and so, had not passed the annual examination for promotion to the class 8. Exam to have been paid his fee finally. That's are good. Transfer, my lord, not written, my lord, in this.
Hmm?
Transfer date was not written in the school certificate.
Transfer date fees given up to which date?
Not written.
Hmm?
Not written, my lord.
Fees given up to?
These fees and fines up to January 1989.
Up to January 1989.
89.
Then when did she took transfer?
That was not mentioned. That's all. Not mentioned.
Hmm?
Transfer date, my lord, not mentioned.
So what kind of transfer certificate it is?
He did not return after class 8, my lord.
When did she left the school?
Up to January. Fees and fine up to January 1989. My lord, then after,
Read carefully.
uh,
When did she left the school?
certificate that Gita Pal, daughter of Jitendra Chandra Pal, an inhabitant of Rangapura in the district of Sonipur, left his school on 1989.
So if she left the school in 1989,
After that, my lord, we don't take any admission in any other school, my lord.
hmm?
This
That's
is,
right.
this is
Okay.
our end of the study life.
Okay. So what is this certificate? What is this certificate?
Recognized and provincialist transfer certificate.
Transfer certificate. She left the school in 1989
89.
and obtained the transfer certificate after 28 years,
Yes,
more
my
than
lord.
28 years, almost 29 years.
Yes, my lord.
And on 11th of December 2017,
Yes, my lord.
what is the law in this regard?
My lord, at that time, my lord, we have no
What
necessary
is the
for
law
the
in
certi-
this regard?
no necessary for the certificate, my
We are
lord.
asking you, Mr. Hassan, what is the law in this?
My lord, this admission register is there, available admission register. I have studied there, my lord.
Hmm. Okay. DW4.
DW4, my lord.
First of all, let us see your written statement.
WS. Page 33. We have also filed additional WS also, my lord. Page 38.
You can read Assamese.
Yes, my lord.
Good. Come to page number 56. Read very carefully.
Stop. মই যিকম ভাষা কম, মই ৰঙাপাৰা বেংগলী হাইস্কুলৰ প্ৰধান শিক্ষক হিচাপে এই মাহৰ 6 তাৰিখে দায়িত্বভাৰ গ্ৰহণ কৰিছোঁ।
ন্যায়াধিকৰণ
ন্যায়াধিকৰণৰ পৰা
সমন
সমন্বয় আজি সাক্ষ্যদানৰ বাবে হাজিৰ হৈছোঁ। প্ৰদৰ্শক এখন আমাৰ বিদ্যালয়ৰ পৰা গীতা পাল, পিতা জিতেন্দ্ৰ চন্দ্ৰ পাল, ঠিকনা ৰঙাপাৰা জিলা শোণিতপুৰৰ নামত 13-12
It is 11-12. 11-12.
11-12
has been
17
deleted.
তাৰিখে জাৰি কৰা প্ৰমাণ পত্ৰ। উক্ত প্ৰমাণ পত্ৰ 13-12-17 তাৰিখে বিদ্যালয় পৰিদৰ্শক প্ৰভাত দাসে অতি স্বাক্ষৰ কৰিছে। উক্ত প্ৰদৰ্শক গীতা পালে 1989 চনত বিদ্যালয়ৰ এৰা বুলি লিখা আছে আৰু উক্ত প্ৰদৰ্শক গীতা পালৰ জন্মৰ তাৰিখ 23/9/1975 বুলি লিখা আছে। প্ৰদৰ্শক ক্লজ
প্ৰধান শিক্ষকৰ
প্ৰধান শিক্ষকৰ দায়িত্বত থকা বিদ্যালয়সমূহক উপ-পৰিদৰ্শক প্ৰভাত দাসৰ চহী আৰু প্ৰধান শিক্ষকৰ চহী মই চিনি পাইছোঁ। মই আজিৰ পৰা বিদ্যালয় 1984 চনৰ পৰা 1996 চনলৈকে ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰী নামভৰ্তি পঞ্জীয়ন কৰা নামভৰ্তি বহীখনৰ লগত আনিছোঁ। প্ৰদৰ্শক ক্লজ উক্ত নামভৰ্তি বহী আৰু প্ৰদৰ্শক 1+1 উক্ত নামভৰ্তি বহীত গীতা পালৰ নামভৰ্তি পঞ্জীয়ন থকা পৃষ্ঠা আৰু প্ৰদৰ্শক 1+2 গীতা পালৰ নাম পঞ্জীয়নৰ ক্ৰমিক নং 44 নামভৰ্তিৰ তাৰিখ কাটি গৈছে। ছাত্ৰৰ নাম গীতা পাল, জাতি হিন্দু, দেউতাকৰ নাম জিতেন্দ্ৰ চন্দ্ৰ পাল, নিবাস ৰঙাপাৰা, পেছা ব্যৱসায়, অভিভাৱকৰ নাম জিতেন্দ্ৰ চন্দ্ৰ পাল, ঠিকনা ৰঙাপাৰা, অভিভাৱকৰ লগত সম্পৰ্ক পিতা, জন্ম তাৰিখ 23/9/75, জন্ম নথি সম্পৰ্কত নীল লিখা আছে। প্ৰধান শিক্ষকৰ স্বাক্ষৰৰ স্তম্ভত সেই সময় প্ৰধান শিক্ষক অচিন্ত কুমাৰ দত্তৰ স্বাক্ষৰ আছে। কোন স্কুলৰ পৰা আহিছে? শিতানৰ ৰঙাপাৰা বেংগলী MV স্কুল। কোন শ্ৰেণীত পঢ়ি আছিল? শিতানত সপ্তম মান। কোন শ্ৰেণীত নামভৰ্তি কৰিছে? শিতানত অষ্টম মান। নাম্বাৰ এণ্ড ডেট অফ ট্ৰেন্সফাৰ চাৰ্টিফিকেট শিতানত 43/89/11/1989 বুলি লিখা আছে। ৰঙাপাৰা MV স্কুলৰ পৰা দিয়া বালিকাকৰণ প্ৰমাণ পত্ৰ মই আজি লগত আনিছোঁ। প্ৰদৰ্শকটো উক্ত প্ৰমাণ পত্ৰত গীতা পালৰ জন্ম তাৰিখ 29/9/75 বুলি উল্লেখ আছে। ছাত্ৰৰ নামৰ স্তম্ভৰ কেৱল পাল লিখা আছে। দেউতাকৰ নামৰ স্তম্ভত জিতেন্দ্ৰ লিখা আছে। অভিভাৱকৰ নামৰ স্তম্ভত জিতেন্দ্ৰ চন্দ্ৰ নাম থকা বাবে ছাত্ৰৰ নামৰ কাটি যোৱা অংশত গীতা আৰু গীতাৰ নাম বুলি অনুমান কৰিছে। জন্মৰ তাৰিখৰ স্তম্ভত জন্মৰ তাৰিখ 23/9/75 অভাৰ ৰাইটিং কৰা আছে। ত্যাগীৰে প্ৰধান শিক্ষকৰ স্বাক্ষৰৰ স্তম্ভ পালি আছে। বিদ্যালয়ৰ পৰা প্ৰমাণ পত্ৰৰ তাৰিখ আৰু মন্তব্যৰ শিতান খালী আছে।
So the transfer certificate was Exhibit 1.
Yes, madam.
In the Exhibit 1, name of the student was written as Gita Pal. Date of birth was given as 23rd of September 1975. Name of father was given Jitendra Chandra Pal. Right?
Yes.
And in that register, in that certificate, it was signed by Dean Headmaster.
Yes.
And it was countersigned by the Inspector of School. It is there because the earlier headmaster, because he was in 17 and he took the charge only on 6 days prior to taking charge of the headmaster. Right? So when it was issued on 13/11/12/2017, the concerned headmaster signature was there.
Yeah.
And it was countersigned by the concerned inspector. So in the date of, in the number and date in the transfer certificate was written as 43/89/11 January 1989.
89.
Now, during his cross, this headmaster of the school have stated that against the name of the student in the register, only Pal as in shown. There is no name. The name is not there because
Due to tone.
it was torn.
Tone. Yes.
It was only Pal. In the register, it was shown as only Pal. In the column, name of the father,
Jitendra Chandra Pal.
it is only Jitendra. Jitendra Chandra. There is no Pal.
Jitendra
Come to
Chandra.
page number 58, you will see
Yeah, Jitendra Chandra.
on Jitendra Chandra.
Chandra. And guardian name?
Then
Jitendra Chandra Pal.
since the name of the student was found torn,
Tone.
so presuming it is Gita Pal, the certificate has been issued in the name of
Gita Pal.
But in the register, the name of the student is not there. It was already torn. Then in the column, date of birth, it was
1975.
29th of September 1975, but it was overwritten by ink. That 9 was overwritten, 29 was overwritten by 3. The 9 of 29 was overwritten by 3.
3.
Signature of the headmaster in the register is blank. Pradhan Shikkokor Sakkhorer Stambho Khali ase.
Yes.
The signature of the headmaster in the register, in the column, that particular column, is blank. Vidyaloy Era Praman Patra Tarikh, the date on which
Left the school.
it was issued, and the remark column,
Blank.
blank. Here, the headmaster himself stated in his cross that assuming it is Gitapal, Onumanik, it is not there in the register. Initially, he talked about the Exhibit 1, Pradarshak Act. Then, during his cross from the register itself, he said the name of the student is not there, it was gone. That also is available in his examination in chief at page 57. Line number 14th line. You will see left side, it starts with number 44. From the top at page 57.
Yes, my lord. Line number?
You just read 2 lines above that. Pradarshak Ek Ukto Nambhartir Bohi Aru Pradarshak Ek Ukto Nambharti Bohit Gita Palor Nambharti Ponjion Thoka, the particular page in which the name of Gita Pal was registered. Thoka Pristha Aru Pradarshak Ek Duir Gita Palor Nam Ponjionor Chronic number 44 Nambhartir Tarik Phati Goiche.
Fatigue.
It is not seen. That is why in cross he admitted the fact. The name of a student is not there in the register, presuming it to be of Gita Pal. That is the reason why the tribunal did not consider, because who is this particular student? Not known from that register. The certificate was issued, presuming it to be Gita Pal. Presuming it to be Gita Pal, because the name of the register is not there. So the link between the prosody and her projected father Jitendra Chandra Pal by this particular transfer certificate issued after almost 29 years
Not accepted.
could not be proved in accordance because the evidence have to be reliable and acceptable. Is there any other document to show
Yes, my
that
lord.
she is the daughter of
Yes,
Jitendra Chandra Pal? By which document?
1997 brutalist, my lord, page
1997,
page 25, my lord. There have been
page
written my mother
25.
name,
Let us
mother name and
page 20,
26, my lord.
Hmm.
25, 26.
25, 26. Yes.
My lord, Annapurna Paul is the mother of the petitioner and Gita is the petitioner, my lord.
Hmm.
Mother and the petitioner name. And mother name and father name is together in the voter list of 1966 and 1970.
Do you have any other certified copy of voter list after 1966 or 70? 1966,
1966 voter list then.
then 1971. 1971 is not a certified copy.
1966 voter list have taken women.
So after 1966 and in between 1997, is there any voter list, certified copy of voter list that you have exhibited before the tribunal?
After 1971,
After 1966?
Yes.
Because only 1966 is the certified copy of the
voter
voter
list,
list
my lord.
showing one Jitendra Pal,
Yes,
not Chandra Pal.
Jitendra Paul and
and one Annapurna Devi,
is Annapurna the
your
mother.
projected father and mother. Right?
Yes. Also submit the voter list from 1985, but it also not certified copy, my lord. 1993 also not certified.
19?
My lord, 1985 voter list.
In
Uh,
between, what happened?
page 19.
In between, what happened?
My father name and mother name is there. And 1989 submitted, my lord, my father and mother. One more document, my lord, regarding the death certificate of my mother, my lord. There have been mentioned my mother name and father name also, my father name also there, my lord. Page 27, my lord. Regarding the death certificate of my mother. No, I 1990. আছে 25. হুম এই গীতা Yes, they've got 23 years.
Who is DW3?
DW3 is the election coming from the election office.
Who is
DW,
DW2?
DW2 is the brother only.
Who is DW2?
DW2 my lord, not NXT my lord. That is front of in the circular of my lord.
Gambura was not examined.
Not examined my lord. Lord, regarding the voter list, my lord, 1971, 1989, 1997, 1993, my lord, prove my lord this voter list. This is the exhibited document, my lord. Prove as DW3, my lord.
DW3?
Yes, my lord.
See the difference what he has said.
Yes, my lord, 52, my lord. মই যিকম সঁচা কম মই তেজপুৰ নিৰ্বাচনী বিষয়া কাৰ্যালয়ত গড়কাপ্তানি বিভাগৰ পৰা ডেপুটেশ্যনত আজি যোৱা 4 বছৰ ধৰি কাৰ্যনিৰ্বাহ কৰি আছো। তেজপুৰ নিৰ্বাচনী বিষয়া নিৰ্দেশনৰ পৰা চমন পাই সাক্ষ্য প্ৰদানৰ বাবে মোক কৰ্তৃত্ব দি প্ৰদান কৰিছে। মই বালিপাৰা সমষ্টি 1966 চনৰ ৰঙাপাৰা সমষ্টি 71, 85, 89, 93 আৰু 97 চনৰ ভোটাৰ তালিকাৰ মূল নথি আজি লগত লৈ আনিছো। 1966 চনৰ বালিপুৰা সমষ্টিৰ নামনি গাঁৱৰ ঘৰৰ নম্বৰ 21, ক্ৰমিক নম্বৰ 49 জিতেন্দ্ৰ পাল, পিতা ৰামকৃষ্ণ 50 নাম সন্নিৱিষ্ট আছে। 1971 চনৰ ৰঙাপাৰা সমষ্টিৰ নামনি গাঁৱৰ 21, ঘৰৰ নম্বৰ 21, ক্ৰমিক 49 আৰু 50 ক্ৰমে জিতেন্দ্ৰ পাল, পিতা ৰামকৃষ্ণ চন্দ্ৰ আৰু অন্নপূৰ্ণা দেৱী স্বামী জিতেন্দ্ৰ 43 নামৰ সন্নিৱিষ্ট আছে।
So 66 and 71,
Father
village Namonigao, house number 21 has been proved.
Yes.
Okay.
Then
Now just see.
1985 চনৰ নাম
1985 has been shown. It's not a certified copy, but even then, he approved this 75 voter list.
Yes, ma'am.
In the 1975 voter list,
1971, my lord, not 75.
71.
Yes, ma'am.
That is, he has proved 1970.
Yes.
Then
1985.
Then in 1985.
Yes, my lord.
Serial number?
serial ক্রমিক নম্বর 48 আর 49। 48, 49।
Just it. House name 50. Serial number 48 and 49.
Yes, 48 and 49.
Whose name is there?
Father and mother.
What is the name?
Father name is Jiten Pal, mother name is Annapurna.
Earlier it was Jitendra Chandra Pal.
Yeah, Jitendra Chandra Pal.
So 1966 and 71 house number is same.
Yes.
There is no difficulty.
Yes.
But in 1985, it has become Jiten Pal.
Jiten Pal.
Right?
Now
earlier there was Ramakrishna was not late. Now in 1985 in the voter list, if you see at page number 20, it is late.
Ramakrishna.
Late Ramakrishna. And Jiten Pal is of 60 years. India 1971, how old he was he? 54.
54, Jitendra Pal 54, son of Ramakrishna.
After 14 years, he has become
60,
increased only by 6 years, but the voter list of after 14 years. Then
71, our voter list of 1985. 60 years, madam.
wife Annapurna,
50 years,
wife of Jiten, 15 years.
50 years.
Though the voter list of the gap is 14 years, her age has increased by 7 years.
7.
The house number doesn't tell you.
House number, my lord,
See, there has to be something, right?
yes.
Then
My lord, voter list of
1989.
89.
Hmm.
Serial number 436 and 437.
Hmm.
437, my lord, Jiten Pal,
Hmm.
Annapurna.
Hmm.
My lord, age, my lord, 56. Most probably, my lord, is not clear, madam.
Hmm.
Age is not clear, madam. In 1993, my lord, Jiten Pal, Annapurna, age 71 and 61, my lord.
Come to page number 22.
22, my lord.
Read serial number 436.
436, Jiten Pal, son of Ramakrishna. Age, my lord, could not ascertain, my lord. What age was written, my lord?
What is next?
Next, Annapurna, wife of Jiten, my lord.
Hmm. Then
Meena.
Hmm.
Then, my lord, ascertain.
then
My lord, absent, my lord.
there are two more names.
Two
After
names
Meena.
there.
Who are those?
My lord, there also, my lord, my brother and sister, my lord, most probably.
Who are those?
My lord, name, my lord, could not read, my lord.
Shyamapada. Then
Bara-
439 is Shyamapada. Who is 440?
Most probably they are the brother and sister, my lord.
What from you say?
My lord,
Have you named him in your written statement?
no.
You have also filed additional written statement.
Yeah, that was validation.
Where you have named him?
Their name is
Where you have named him in the additional written statement? We have to believe in you, whatever you say in your written statement, additional.
no, not mentioned, my lord.
You have not mentioned. Then
But mention only that total is from 1989 under 17 Angapur LSC place so and so. But name has not been mentioned. Full name is included in the voter list of 1989, my lord. Only says my father name and mother name is there, my lord.
the DW3
Yes,
was summoned to prove the voter list.
Yes.
He has proved. He proved that these names are there.
There.
He did not prove that these are the parents of the proceeding. He said one Jiten Pal was there, one Annapurna Pal was there
Yeah.
in the voter list of 71, in the voter list of 1985. Then after 71, it was 1989. He proved all those.
Correct.
How you have proved that say Jiten Pal is your father and Annapurna is your mother?
My lord, clearly my lord, submit the voter list 66, 70, 90, 1989, 1985, 1993, and
After
1997, and 1997,
85, 89,
89,
right? And then
85, and then 1993,
1990,
93, my lord.
93. What happened in 1993?
1993, my lord, 47, serial number 47 and 48.
Hmm.
Jiten Pal and Annapurna. Jiten Pal is my father, and Annapurna is my mother, my lord.
Hmm.
Voter list of
Where
1993.
is the others?
My lord, others, my lord.
That is why I have asked you where you have named your siblings.
Sibling, my lord, not mentioned in the WS, my lord. But
When in your-
47, serial number 47, 48, my lord. My lord, 47, Jiten Pal, 48, Annapurna,
Hmm.
49, Shamapot.
Hmm.
Shamapot is the daughter of Jiten Pal. And Gita, my lord. Gita name is there, my lord, petitioner name.
Gita name is there.
Yes, my lord.
So
Serial
that-
50, my lord.
that is proved.
That is proved, my lord. 1993, my lord. Gita name is there. My father name, my mother name, along with my name, my lord. Age is 18 years, my lord. When I was attaining the age of majority, my lord, at that time my name has been appeared in the voter list of 1993, my lord, along with my parents and sister.
Anything else?
Okay. No more else, my lord.
Hmm?
First time, my lord, my name has been appeared in the voter list of 1993, my lord, along with my parents and brothers, my lord. Then after 1997, after that I got married, my lord.
Good. Kindly read the statement of the proceeding. You have
More-
exhibited.
This footage, my lord. I read, my lord. মোৰ জন্ম ৰঙাপাৰা নামনি গাঁও 23/9/1974 তাৰিখে বুলি বিদ্যালয় প্ৰমাণপত্ৰতে জানিব পাৰে। মোৰ দেউতাৰ নাম জিতেন্দ্ৰ চন্দ্ৰ পাল। মানুহে জিতেন বা জিতেন্দ্ৰ বুলি কয়। ককাৰ নাম ৰামকৃষ্ণ পাল। মাৰ নাম অন্নপূৰ্ণা দেৱী তাৰুণী সুন্দৰী পাল। মোৰ ককা দেউতা কৰ মানুহ আছিল।
So your name of your mother is
Annapurna
Annapurna Devi Tarani Hunduri Pal.
হয়, ইয়েছ মেল।
Okay.
অন্নপূৰ্ণা দেৱী তাৰুণী সুন্দৰী পাল।
Then please proceed.
মোৰ ককা দেউতা কৰ মানুহ আছিল মই নাজানো। দেউতাই পূৰ্বৰ কৰ বাসিন্দা আছিল নাজানো। দেউতাই ৰঙাপাৰাৰে বাসিন্দা কৈছিল। মোৰ মা দেউতা দুয়োজনে মৃত্যু হৈছে। মোৰ মা দেউতা দুয়োজনে 1964 চনত ভোট দিছিল, 71 ভোট দিছিল, 75 চনত দিছিল, 85 দিছিল, ঊননব্বৈ চনৰ পৰা 97 চনলৈকে ভোট দিছিল। মোৰ দেউতা মাৰ নাম 71 চনৰ পৰা 85 চনলৈকে এই সময়ছোৱাৰ কোনো ভোটাৰ তালিকা গোচৰত দাখিল কৰা নাই।
মোৰ দেউতা আৰু বাৰু দেউতা মাৰ নামৰ 1971 to 1985 1971 চনৰ পৰা 1985 চনলৈকে এই সময়ছোৱাৰ কোনো ভোটাৰ তালিকা
দাখিল কৰা নাই।
You have not submitted any voter list from
After-
1970 to 1985.
After 1970 to before 1985. মোৰ
After
দেউতা
that,
মা 1997 চনত এমাহৰ পাৰ্থক্যত মৃত্যু হৈছিল দেউতা মা। মোৰ দেউতাৰ ককাই ভাই মুঠ 3জন, জিতেন্দ্ৰ পাল, নাৰায়ণ পাল, হৰিমোহন পাল। মোৰ ককাই ভাই ভনী 7জন, গৌতম পাল, শ্যামপদ পাল, মীনা পাল, ৰামা পাল, গীতা পাল, মই শ্যামলী পাল, আৰতি পাল। মোৰ দেউতা আৰু মোৰ ককাই ভাই ভনী সম্পৰ্কে মোৰ লিখিত বৰ্ণত উল্লেখ নাই। গৌতম পাল সৰুতে ঘৰৰ পৰা ওলাই গৈ নেপালত থাকে, ঘৰলৈ অহা নাই। মোৰ বিয়া 97 চনত ৰাবাৰ বাগানৰ নাৰায়ণ চন্দ্ৰ দাসৰ পুত্ৰ সমীৰণ দাসৰ লগত হৈছে। মই 1993 আৰু 1997 চনত বিয়াৰ আগতে ভোট দিছোঁ। মই জিতেন পালৰ ছোৱালী হিচাপে মোৰ নাম পূৰ্বে পাল আছিল। মই ৰঙাপাৰা বেংগলী হাইস্কুলত 8ম মান শ্ৰেণীৰ পৰা 9ম মান শ্ৰেণীলৈ উন্নীত হৈছিলোঁ। এইটো সত্য নহয়। নামনি গাঁৱৰ জিতেন্দ্ৰ পাল বা জিতেন্দ্ৰ পালৰ ছোৱালী নহয়। এইটো সত্য নহয় যে গোচৰত দাখিল কৰা নথিসমূহ সঁচা নথি। এইটো সত্য নহয় যে মই বিদেশী নাগৰিক। We have mentioned our sibling, my lord. Our brothers, total brothers and sisters is 7.
okay, that much you have to say.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ms. Verma. Something. Ms. Verma, you do one thing along with Mr. Sharma or Payeng. There are certain vernacular things are here. Otherwise, all in English. Go to the record. And note down from 100 and page 117 to 124. At page 117, we have given a mark. Go through that. And then tell us.
LCR 117 to 124.
We'll come back at 2.
Yes, Lord.
Go through those. These are part of the records. From the 117 is the letter by which the tribunal asked the issued summon to the headmaster of the school. Bring on the records. The headmaster of the school placed all the relevant records. So you go through those pages 17 to 124 meticulously. Find out. And let us know at 2 o'clock.
Yes.
Go back to the document. Yes, you have seen those documents. What is your view? The main issues, give it as the record. More important is the transfer certificate issued to the proceeding by the MV school. There is a issue number.
Yes,
That issue number is available in the record,
yes, sir.
and that tells you the proceeding, where the proceeding's father is also there. To that extent, proceeding could prove. Of course,
Yes,
that has
yes.
not been discussed.
Yes.
I think that's the reason we say that you verify those records.
Yes.
Now, say for example, in that letter, the someone was issued by the tribunal
Yes.
to bring the records. The headmaster of the school have brought the records. Now, it is true. The name of the proceeding was torn in that record, right? You see, but father name is Jitendra Chandra, and the remaining part is again torn. But if you see the name, guardian's name in that particular, it is Jitendra Chandra Paul. Address is Rangapara. Then the occupation, father's occupation is business is there. Then in the next hand side, against that, the certificate number, more important is the certificate number issued by the school from where the certificate is that was given by the headmasters of the MB school in the name of the proceedee. Father's name is Jitendra Sandrapal. The residence is Rangapara, and she studied up to 31st of December 1988, up to class 7. She passed class 7 and promoted to class 8. And as per that certificate of the school, is our date of birth is 23rd of September 1975. And it was issued wide number 43/89, dated of January 1989. This particular issue number of the MV school and the date tallies with this. These are a part of the documents. These are exhibits. This the tribunal did not discuss. And the admission register clearly shows that she was admitted in class 8 pursuant to this particular certificate issued by the MB school. Same MB, same school, but one is MB school, the other is a high school. Now, this MB school record is very clear. In fact, we have checked 11 January is a working day. And the date of admission, that was also 24th of January was a working day. So, what do we have to say? Our application submitted by late father of the proceeding. It is also available at page 123. Now, this is exhibit something. It's not written exhibit, not written, but it was exhibited from original. Now, it is under his signature issued on 19th of January 1989. Certificate was issued on 11th. Then he submitted before the school for admission in 1989 on 19th of January. Then our application at page 123. Yes. All these things it cannot be denied. So she could prove that she is the daughter of Jitendra Chandra Pal of. This is interesting. Here in the application, it is Rangapara, Namonigaon. Yes. And Jitendra Chandra Pal's father name figured in the voter list of 66 and 71 as Namonigaon. Right. We will not remand it back. You could prove what is the reason for remanding back. There is no issue to satisfy this thought. Was there any reason for sending it back or for fresh determination? This was before the tribunal. Yes. But this was not considered. What do you say? Whether it should be remanded back or we should consider? This matter is clearly because record reveals that she is the daughter of Jitendra Chandra Pal. Is there anything else? Rubber Bagan will be in where? Rangapara. Whether it will be under Biswanath now or it will be under Sonitpur. Hmm? Right here.
Okay, small. The father was small. That's very good.
It is in Sonitpur. Shall we remand back the matter? We dictate it. Request. Mr. Riyad Hassan, counsel appearing for the petitioner. We'll put her name. NMS A. Verma, standing counsel from department. For the response number 2 and 6. Mr. Yuguli. Learned counsel on behalf of Mr. A. Standing counsel, election commission. And Mr. Chahat Tariqa, learned common advocate Assam. For the response number 5. On the basis of police inquiry being police inquiry number 174/2017, expressing doubt about the nationality of the petitioner, the Superintendent of Police Border, Sonitpur, Tezpur, White memo number TJP within bracket capital B /2017/2096 dated 21/10/2017. Refer the matter to the Furnace Tribunal at Furnace Tribunal, Sonitpur at Tezpur, seeking its opinion whether the petitioner entered into India, refer the matter under the Foreigners Act 1946, seeking its opinion whether the petitioner a suspected Bangladeshi national entered into India without valid documents or not. Considering the said report and the reference it was registered as Furnace Tribunal FT case number, Furnace Tribunal case number 66/2017 before the Foreigners Tribunal, Tezpur, within bracket first. Furnace Tribunal first, Sonitpur at Tezpur. Furnace Tribunal first, Sonitpur, Tezpur first. And notice was issued to the petitioner slash proceeding in the said FT case number 66 of 2017 on (21) 10 2017. Okay. On 6/11. Directing the petitioner slash proceeding to show cause as to why she shall not be declared as a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946, who had illegally entered into the territory of India within bracket Assam after 25/03/1971 without any valid documents and residing there. Fixing the matter on 26/12/2017 with a further observation that failure on her part to submit her written reply the tribunal shall proceed with the matter ex parte. The petitioner appeared before the tribunal on 26/12/2017 with her counsel and submitted her reply in said FT case number such and such on 08/06/2018. No, not there. On. No, I will even. Let's say pretty. Well, that first written statement is not available on record. Mr. Sharma, but the order sheet reveals that it was filed. It was filed on 28th of March as per the order sheet. But the record doesn't have it.
Read it on page 35.
No, it was filed. It was handwritten.
Yes, sir.
The petitioner initially filed her written statement in the matter on 20/03/2018. On 23/05/2018, petitioner filed an application before the tribunal stating that some of the important documents were left out to be filed along with her written statement filed earlier in the case. And as such, prayed to allow her to file additional written statement along with the other documents that she could not file along in the written statement, which the tribunal on 23/05/18 allowed, pursuant to which the petitioner on 08/06/2018 file her additional written statement. And on the same date, they also file her evidence in affidavit as DW1. The petitioner before the tribunal placed ... as exhibit such and such. Mr. Sharma, what we'll do, because sister is also having a single bench. We'll allow this petition, set aside this order, remand the matter back to the tribunal, and to pass an order on the basis of these documents,
Yes,
a fresh order, within a period of on or before 30th April. Right?
yes,
Today is 11, or maybe on or before 18th of May.
Yes.
Normally 46 days. So after remanding days, we'll see. We give 2 days, 2 months time.
Yes.
Fixing on 18th of May.
Yes.
We also inform.
Yes.
And he has to pass a fresh order on the basis of the materials available before it can on the record. Right? No, because what has happened at the records reveals thing otherwise, because there is a brother who filed his evidence in affidavit.
Yes.
As DW2, but he made it an accident for which he could not appear. Tribunal did not grant further time.
yes, yes,
So his evidence was closed. Then thereafter, though she had annexed school certificates and everything, as well as the voter list, the tribunal asked her to bring those witnesses.
yes,
But they, without the official order, they did not come.
yes,
So she prayed before the tribunal to issue summons to them.
yes, yes,
So officially, the tribunal called them, and they accordingly both the person from the deputy commissioner's office, the election office, as well as the headmaster,
Yes.
appeared before the tribunal and placed those matters.
yes, yes,
Because we have to incorporate, because those certificates, the tribunal specifically asked those voter lists to be proved,
yes, yes,
giving those years. So there are specific orders.
Yes.
So we have to place those orders in the final order passed by the court. So we have to incorporate it.
Yes,
We'll
yes.
incorporate it and everything, and we'll send it back.
Yes.
Meeting or you appear before the tribunal. By 22nd, along with a certified copy of this order.
22nd of this month or not? This month. That's the
The petitioner in this case, my lord, he was directed to file WS as well as evidence.
No, what we wanted to know in the morning, what we have seen in the order sheet. There are lots of lenience on the part of the tribunal.
Yes.
The petitioner has annexed the order sheet.
Yes, sir.
It itself discloses the leniency. Now, whether that is a res judicata or not, that will be a different issue.
Yes.
That has to be decided by the tribunal first. At one point of time, tribunal has already considered and proceeded further. Now the petitioner has approached this court by filing this petition saying that the matter is already decided. Whatever decision is there, right or wrong, we are not passing any comment at this stage.
From the record, my lord, it is clear. The tribunal has given enough opportunity to the petitioner. But
Lots of leniency.
yes, lot of leniency.
The reason we wanted to know why.
And probably, my lord, the
The petitioner
petitioner.
is lucky enough. Otherwise,
yes.
in the other cases, proceedings, you have seen how fast they are disposing of the matter. Here is a case to the extent.
Procedure has filed more
tribunal
than-
is extending the matter.
Procedure has filed more than 3 petition, my lord, on the same issue. There she may be declared for my lord, for red judicator, her petition, my lord, proceeding may be dropped. 3 occasions she filed same petition.
Tribunal has already considered and rejected.
Yes.
And proceeded, then what is there left? At best,
necessary order ওখানে
14.3 speaks for necessary order. 14.3 speaks for necessary order. Let us see on 14.3 what the tribunal do.
Just see, Mr. Payne,
Yes.
what we wanted to point out. Page number 69. Order dated 3rd of March.
Yes. Learned counsel for the OP also filed a petition by motion. Prayer is dismissed and the case as res judicata.
No, 3rd of March 2022.
Yes, my lord. It is OP's absent. Learned counsel for the OP
Then
filed petition.
next para.
Yes, my lord. OP also filed petition number so and so, praying for to dismiss the case as rigid, as res judicata.
Fix on 30th
Fix
of
on
March
so and so. Yes,
on
ma'am.
that petition.
Yes, ma'am. Petition heard. OP's absent. Filed petition.
Then 20, next page.
OP is present. Statement of OP is taken.
So on 13th of June 2022,
Yes, madam.
the order was passed. For written statement and evidence.
Evidence. That was the date.
Then again,
Again, she filed petition, my lord. 8/9/22.
Hmm.
OP filed petition, praying to consider as adjudicator on the basis of certified copies of WS.
so 11th of October 2020 was fixed for that petition.
Yes, madam. OP absent. Counsel for the file advocate Hazirov.
So dates were fixed
Yes,
and ultimately 30th of November 2022 for passing order, but he did not pass.
yes.
Then that way, he passed order
On
on
9/6.
30/11/2022, 4th of January 23rd, 2029th of March, then 18th of May.
Yes.
9th of May.
9/6, my lord. The petition before passing the order, petition number 24. Along
So
with
who is
the-
lingering the matter?
Lord, we will fix this matter after 1 week, my lord. In the meantime, if any order is passed, it may be communicated, but I'll let the tribunal, my lord, let us get the instruction if any order is passed. Their fear is, my lord, to declare the petitioner as Indian and on the basis of res judicata. So that cannot be considered at this stage here. Let it be decided there itself, my lord.
My lord, kindly peruse page 70, the tribunal's order, my lord. The tribunal asked the police to submit a report. Accordingly, police submitted a report, my lord,
If
finding,
the police has submitted the report,
my lord.
then why the second case? Why
That's
the
why,
second?
that's why, my lord, we have
Why
challenged.
the second case? If the police have submitted the report, why the second case?
That is why, my lord, we have come before the court. My lord.
Now, if a reference is there, how the reference will be disposed of as per the 1964 order? What are the provisions?
My lord, provision
As per the order 3, what is the provision?
is that, my lord, within 30 days, the reference is to be answered, my lord.
As per order 3 of 1964 order, what is the provision? First of all, the notice has to be issued
My lord,
and the procedure to submit its reply.
lord.
Whatever the ground is there, that will be taken. You have not yet filed written statement till date.
Or I have filed the application.
If you have filed, if you give your reasons
I have filed the
that
application.
you are not a foreigner,
Or I have,
listen,
my lord.
that you are not a foreigner, your case was considered earlier. But what you have done, instead of filing your reply, you have filed a petition objecting to that proceeding. That could have been a ground
My lord, along
in
with that
your
application,
written reply. You might have many objections. You might be an Indian citizen.
Lord.
But as per order 3, it is very clear that you have to file your reply. In your reply, you may take all those grounds. And
Lord.
while deciding the matter, the tribunal at first has to decide whether your case is barred by res judicata or not.
Lord.
In spite of granting time, you have not filed your written reply.
What the petitioner had did, my lord, done,
Whatever grounds you might have,
my lord, petitioner,
whatever grounds it might have, can we decide at this stage? Finally, that stage has to be considered either by the tribunal, then only we can take up this matter. If you forcefully do not try to understand, there are measures to be taken care of.
I understand.
There are measures to be taken care of, Mr. Counsel.
I leave it to your lord.
Why should you leave it to? You are a counsel, you are an officer of the court, you know what is there in the order 3.
I'm sorry.
Don't make a mockery of the judiciary like this. It is the notice given to you, you file your reply. What you have done from 2020. That point could have been taken in your written reply, which you call a written statement. Then you could have plead before proceeding further, you decide this issue about the res judicata. Just linger in the matter for no reason. Third, yes, Mr. Pine, we're not taking up this matter. Let him file whatever do. That is, if it is any such issues is taken, it will be taken care of.
Yeah.
Mr. Payang, just see. Page number 16. Yes. Or in that case, you can see the vernacular also. Just note down the names.
Basit Sheikh and Rajimuddin Sheikh.
Right? Turn to next page. Also note down the house number. In 1970 voter list. Have you seen?
Basiti Sheikh.
Here the name of Basdi Sheikh is there,
Yes, ma'am.
who happens to be the grandfather. Then one Rajimuddin Sheikh is there,
Yes,
without the name of their wives or their mother, Rajimuddin's mother. Anyway, 1970, in a different house number, but from the same locality. Basdi Sheikh is there, Ghazimuddin Sheikh is there.
Yes.
Now along with two ladies is there, where another person is there, Kalimuddin Sheikh. Now Ghazimuddin Sheikh and Kalimuddin Sheikh are the sons
of Basiti.
of Basdi Sheikh, and Abhijan Bibi is the wife.
Yes.
Good. Then the 79 voter list. One Mursida Bibi is there. Mehran Bibi is there.
Mehran Bibi.
Nazimuddin Sheikh is there.
Yes.
And Naziruddin Sheikh is there.
Yes.
All the time it was Basdi Sheikh. Ghazimuddin Sheikh, whatever, they're not on that. Now this is the voter list for the name of two ladies and two persons figured. Without the link being proved between Nazimuddin Sheikh, which is the projected father of the earlier proceeding. Relation between Nazimuddin Sheikh and Basdi Sheikh, either through one of the brothers of Nazimuddin Sheikh. The tribunal came to the finding that Prosidi Marjina Begum, alias Nazina Begum, is the daughter of Nazimuddin Sheikh. No finding of the tribunal. If you read the order of the tribunal, you will see.
Yes.
What you have done. What you have done. Come to paragraph, page 55, para 5. Read.
The proceeding deposed that her grandfather name is late Basadi Sheikh alias Basiruddin Basir and late Abjan Bibi, and parents' name is Naziruddin Sheikh, Naziruddin and Amina Bibi. That her grandfather along with elder uncles name has been recorded in the voter list of 1966 at Anand Nagar, Soincho, village Soincho, house number 185 under PS Bilasipara LAC. That her grandfather along with elder uncle's name has been recorded in the voter list of 1970, village Anand Nagar, serial number Soincho, house number 207, Bilasipara LAC. That her father along with other family members name has been recorded in the voter list of 1979 at Anand Nagar, Soincho, village by serial number Soincho, house
Now you
number
have seen the voter list
175.
of 1966, 1970 and 1979. Is there any connection?
No, 79 and 77, 66 is no connected.
66, 70,
Yes,
and 1979. Is there any connection?
no connection.
Then come to page number 58. Para 10, 11.
Then Paratin, my lord, that she was born in and brought up at Bilasipara, Anandnagar, under so Bilasipara district, then Gwalpara, now Dhuburi, Assam, in the year 1984. And she got married with Fakhruddin Sheikh of Sheikh, son of so in the year 2000. And since then, she has been living with her husband family continuously. Accordingly, her name along with husband and other family members' name has been recorded in the voter list of 2005, village Borguari, so and house number so, that is with her husband, my lord. Thereafter, therefore, as far as OP Srimati Marjina Begum, wife of Nur Fakhruddin Sheikh, has discharged her burden, she proved that her father's name, Najiran alias Naziruddin, and she entered into Assam before 1966 from adduced documents by Prosody. It is seen that these documents are all related to before 1966. She also proved that she is daughter of Naziruddin Sheikh alias Naziruddin and Amina Bibi. I am considered opinion that the reason and discussed above, she has discharged her burden for provision section 9 of the 1946. Therefore, the reference is answered in negative.
How do you relate all this? Read para 9, the previous page.
Yes. The proceedings grandfather name is Basiruddin Sheikh and Basiruddin alias Basir, and late Abidja Bibi, and parents name is Naziruddin Sheikh alias Naziruddin and Amina Bibi. That her grandfather along with elder uncle's name has been recorded in the voter list of 1966 at Anandnagar village, by serial number so house number 185 under PS Bilasipara, under Bilasipara LEC. That her grandfather along with her elder uncle's name has been recorded in 1970 voter list of Anandnagar by serial number so house number 207 Bilasipara, under Bilasipara LEC. That her father along with other family members' name has been recorded in the voter list of 1979, which is not correct, my lord, because other family members are not there.
We are not on that.
Yes,
That
79.
order is of 2019 by which
Yes,
one of the petitioner,
on
we
the
don't know whether the
is
same petitioner is before us.
that her parents' name has been recorded in the voter list of 1989.
So how did the tribunal have decided found to be petitioner to be in India? And on the basis of such judgment, the petitioner is now claiming that it is got by SGT.
We'll examine this issue, my lord. Probably these judgments opinions were not placed in the my lord committee.
Nazibuddin, you can do two ways.
Yes.
Either you can dispose it of directing the petitioner to file his written state to the issue of res judicata, which can be decided with private. Number one. Or you can call for the records of the previous case, the present case, then we'll differentiate it and finish it to base it down. Europe, whatever you said.
Let the tribunal decide, my lord.
Tribunal.
Yes. Let the tribunal decide first, because it is the
Tribunal decide you are waiting for the order of 13th of 14th of March.
14th, my lord. Let it be with, if on 14 any order is first, let us see, my lord, because today is 11. So it is fixed on 14, my lord, for necessary order. So if any order is first, my lord, so let the matter come after 1 week, my lord. Implementation, if any order is first, I'll press it.
The prayer of the council for the respondents, Mr. Depai, matter be listed on. But this way that we. Yes. 21st.
Plus
Rama,
Yes.
we wanted to know something from.
Yes, my lord, this was probably, my lord, the 1971 voter list, your lordship, page 31, my lord.
Hmm.
This was not certified copy, but this was considered as, my lord, considering
That's
this
the reason
document.
we're asking you.
Yes, my lord, considering this, my lord, that he was declared to be foreigner within the estimate of 66 to 71. But I have verified, my lord, and the same copy was furnished there. Probably it was not pointed out by the learned, my lord, the AGP, or oversight of the foreigners tribunal, it was not considered.
So,
So your lordship may remand this matter if, my lord, if the documents are available with them, let them produce once.
RMS Mbora for the and Mr. Depai sending for from the from the AI Depai 6. An order by the date 14/03/2023 passed by the Foreigners Tribunal 9 Corpeta in FD 9 in bracket PPT case number 795 of 2016 on the basis of document exhibited by the petitioner declared or to be a foreigner in the stream 01/01/1966 25 directing her to register before the foreigners registered authority concern. It is stated as she suffered from medical ailment since 10th March 2023. As such, she could not register herself under the provision of Section 6A in bracket 3 of the Citizenship Act 1955, as amended, with Rule 19 of the Citizenship Act 2009. Before the Foreigners Regional Registration Office, Corpeta, within 30 days, from the date of message of 14/03/2023, hence this application filed by the petitioner on 04/03/2024 for extending the time for her registration under the provisions of Citizenship Act 5 and Citizenship 2009 as directed earlier by the Foreign Tribe on 14/03 in FT9. Call for the records. FT9. List of all photo of everything.
Sorry, in this
Yes,
case, my lord, I
Madam
have
Sharma.
copy not received, my lord. That was not supplied to.
My lord, we have communicated to the department as well as the superintendent of police Goalpara. Sometime maybe till tomorrow, time may be given to us so that we can obtain the complete instructions, my lord.
Day after
Day after
Day
tomorrow.
after tomorrow.
right?
My lord.
The prayer of MS P. Sharma, right?
You Sharma, my
U.
lord.
Sharma, Government Advocate of Assam, list this matter on. We'll make it on Thursday. 14.
Highly obliged.
You know the consequences of not furnishing a copy to
Yes,
the
lordship.
prosecutor.
As per my instructions, my lord, copy was
You do not
served.
know. You know the outcome.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
What else added thereon?
Yes, my lord.
What are to be things added to be there?
That is, we have to serve the rejection order within a specific time period, my lord.
And if not done,
If not done, my lord, the detainee will be released.
and what else? Only release.
No, my lord, some
What is that sum? We find out the law.
lordship,
That's why I'm asking you,
lordship,
right?
lordship.
You have to tell us.
I will find it out, lord.
Right?
No.
What is the plus minus
Outcome of
vote?
it. Obliged.
In fact, frankly speaking, if you see some of the judgments where Justice Umita Barot, as you are said, or Justice C.K. Straw, as you are said, there are many judgments cited
I will go through it, my lord.
there. The courts, when we were junior, we used to sit behind and we used to see. The court is to write because Justice A. Roy, as when he has to appear before Arunachal Pradesh and in some matters of law. Similarly, Justice H. Roy is to appear before the government and all.
Right.
He is to make fair submission, and it's to the courts, particularly we have seen Justice J.N. Sharma's judgment and all, Justice A. Patnaik's judgment. You'll see, if you read those judgments, you'll see.
Right.
The court is to very specifically mention the fairness on the part of Justice, fairness on the part of Mr. A. Roy, Learned Counsel Justice, fairness on the part of H. Roy. Because their argument style was to, they will lay down all the negative things
My
of
lord.
their parties first, and then they will cleanse on the particular issue for which the court should either interfere or not to interfere.
My lord.
Right? You see, if you wrote these old judgments, you will see there the style and you will know. Even in for habeas corpus matters and others,
My lord.
you read those judgments, you'll know.
I will go through it, my
Go through.
lord.
You have to rise, madam, as a single bench.